Once you've installed Python on your Windows machine or on your Windows computer, you're ready to start programming. To program, you need to open two things, or you need to work with two things. One of them is the command prompt, and one of them is an editor. So to find the command prompt, this is on Windows 7. I look under All Programs, and under Accessories, you will find the command prompt. Now, depending on what version of Windows you're running, it might be in a slightly different location. Alright, so I'm starting the command prompt, and one thing I can do a quick test to see if Python is here and installed correctly, and I can type Python, and it enters me into the Python interpreter. As an example, I can tell it to print hello, and it will just echo hello back to me. I just want to leave the Python interpreter right now, so I just hit exit with the parentheses behind it, or I type that. I hit enter, and I'm leaving the Python environment. Alright, so to create a program in Python, I can work in the editor. In an editor, I can write the program. Any kind of a text editor. One that I have installed here is Notepad++, which is a much better system than Notepad, but Notepad works as well for creating. It just has to be a text editor. So if I open Notepad++, I want to create a Python program, and a very simple program is print hello world, standard first program to print. So I want to save this. I want to save this in a place where I am going to put all of my programs. So I'm going to save this as, I am going to put this somewhere on my computer. I can put it directly under my C drive. I can put it elsewhere as well. So I'm going to put it directly under my C drive, and I'm going to create a new folder here just for this course, CPSC 231. Now notice where I'm putting this. So it says here I'm under local disk C, so that is directly where I'm at, and I'm creating a folder called CPSC 231 because I need to be able to find it in my command prompt as well. And I'm just going to call this hello dot, and this is a Python program, and Python programs will have the .py extension. Put a py extension behind there, get used to this. So not a txt extension. And I'm going to save this. Alright, so now this is hello.py. I'm going to move this over a little bit, and I want to find this now. So notice at the top here as well, it indicates this is C, CPSC 231 hello.py. So that's where I want to go to. So I'm going to navigate to that folder. If I type CD, that means change directory, and I want to tell it which directory to change to. So I type the directory exactly, which is C:\/ CPSC 231. That is the directory that I want to go to. So that's where I've been brought to. If I do a dir, it gives me a listing of all the files that is there, and you can see the hello.py. And to run it, I can type Python and tell it what's now to run, and I want to run hello.py, and it's echoed it back to me. If I'll do one more modification, and I can print hello again, save it. If I now run this again, Python hello.py, it now has hello world and hello again. So this is our first Python program on a Windows machine.